guys, as you may know, we've been working on our mini studio, and today I just want to kind of wrap up to where we have reached. And I think it's good to say hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am in this messy space because it is coming up, and this is actually the mini studio. So in today's edition, I'm going to be definitely unboxing the few things I got for the mini studio just because. So there is this vintage LED series. I will show you what that is for. This is the AM8T gaming microphone kit. It is for streaming and podcasting. So there is that. We'll get into that later. I got this for something else that I will be letting you know about when the time is right, because this is not the time for that. So I'll just put it on the side for now. I want to get into this, starting off with this lighting, and trust my vision. I had a vision and it took me time to design what I wanted and how I wanted it to look like, how I wanted the mini studio to look like. So I'm going to do another unboxing of this light, and we're just going to put it up together. Right there in my face, and then I think I know what to do. Rachel, check the menu. Manual. This is supposed to come out, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then this is supposed to go to the end. And then this one, like so. I got it. Oh yeah, I did it. Next is, tada! So I need to open this up. Because I do. Oh, look at that. I got a warm light. I requested for that. And now I'm going to put it inside. Next up, I'm going to plug it into the socket, and let's see if it's going to light up, because the only thing I want, honestly, is the light. So yeah, I did it, guys. So this is supposed to be at the corner. Can you see that? Can you see my vision? Like right there, okay? And next up is this darling, okay? We got this from IKEA. The vision was it should be black, but we couldn't get any black. So I ended up with a dark gray. And I think it's going to do the job. So let's just loving that for me. And they're supposed to be, gosh. So yeah, that light at the corner is supposed to, I don't know if you can see. Now I need to work on, this is definitely going to be a whole unboxing and setting up on its own, but so far so good. That's how it looks like. I'm going to give you a quick full view of the studio because there is a shelf and I think you need to see how that shelf actually looks like. A big version of this because it's supposed to go up next to the shelf, and I just need to think about the art I want to be in here before I even start to put it together. But yeah, it is black and white. I'm definitely thinking my writing will be black and white. I had actually thought I had this one. It says, "Be generous with gratitude, for it is contagious." I got this from Mr. Price Kenya back like maybe last year in June, July. I got that, and then I decided to frame this big 5 because you know I'm a Kenyan girly and I just love nature and I just love that. So I thought I could do that, but both frames were like the same size. One was just actually the same size, so it didn't fit into the vision. I needed a bigger frame. So now I need to think and wrap my head a little bit. I'm thinking of a verse that I have I've stood on for so many times. I'm looking for a powerful Bible verse. I will write it by myself or I'll design it on Canva, frame it, have it printed out on like glossy paper, put it in there, and then it should be going up. I have the hooks already. So you see my vision? Now the other thing is I need a centerpiece for this was not in the vision, but when I found it I thought it was really beautiful and it was going to complete my studio, so I had to get it. Okay, if any other problems arise I might have to I want to spray it black again because it's quite rough and I think it picked up a couple of white stuff, so I need to buy black spray paint and spray it, but I will use it as it is because I feel it's already good the way it is. The lighting here, this one, it's just to give us a life, you know, but I will work on this wire so that it's not just, you know, all over the place, disrespectfully so I'll do that. Wait, let me move so that you can see how it looks like. Boom, that's how it looks like from there. And yeah, I'm going to take this from the shelf and I'm just going to put it here as a centerpiece. Please wish me luck that I don't break it, but yeah, it's gonna be chilling over here, and I think the studio is good to go. I just need to unbox this microphone, set it up, and we are in business. It's official to say that the mini studio for adulting with Alumira is complete. Yep. I mean, I couldn't be happier. I've worked on this for weeks. I just couldn't find the best pieces. I had to change my mind, so many things, but I couldn't be happier. Honestly excited for everything that's gonna come with this studio, the memories. I just pray that God will bring people who will make a difference in people's lives when we speak in this studio, that He will pick your word from whatever we discuss, and it will change your life, it will transform your life, it will benefit you to grow, to advance, it will help you in your life. That's my prayer, honestly. So yeah, until next time, I'll always be your host with the most, Almira. I'm actually really excited, but yeah, I couldn't be happier. Okay, I'm going to try and take a full picture of the studio plus the shop and everything, and then let's see how that goes. Yeah.